So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing extremely well, and this is your very own Mascoda this side. So today's problem is count distinct elements in every window. The problem is really simple. The problem says that from a given array, you have to construct all the subarrays of size k. Here k equals to 4. So if I try to construct all the subarrays, remember subarray means contiguous part of array. So what is the subarray? First subarray is this one, second subarray is this one, third subarray is this one, fourth subarray is this one, fifth subarray is this one, right? Of size k, right? If I try to make a subarray which is starting from this element, is it possible? No, one, two, three, fourth element is not there, right? So how many subarrays are possible? One, two, three, 4 and 5, right? So first subarray contains 1, 2, 1, 3. Second one contains 2, 1, 3, 4. Third one contains 1, 3, 4, 1. Fourth one contains 3, 4, 1, 2. And fifth one contains 4, 1, 2, 3. Alright. Now it says that make an array which contains, we know that this is my first subarray, second subarray, third subarray, fourth subarray, and fifth subarray. Count of distinct elements in all the subarrays. Now, if you see in 1, how many distinct elements are there? This is 1, 2, 3. So 3 elements are there, which are distinct because this one is duplicate, right? In 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. In 3, 1, 2, 3. This is a duplicate element. In 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. In 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is my answer. This is what you have to do. This is what you have to do. Right? Let us just solve it how. So first approach is obviously brute force. So we all know that whenever the question says subarray and we have to devise a brute force approach, just make all the subarrays. Just make all subarrays. Right? How will you make all subarrays? So for that you have to observe one thing. What are the indexes? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? We need a size of k equal to 4. That means my starting point will lie up till 4, right? My starting point was lying up till 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? Now, this was my last starting point, right? This was my last starting point. Last starting point. The size of the array is 8. Let me tell you, size equals to 8, k equals to 4. Last starting point was equals to 4. That means last starting point is actually equals to size minus k, right? So go to that. That is for I going from 0 up till I minus k, sorry, n minus k, what will you do? You will say count equals to 0, right? Or you will just create a map, right? Let us just create a map or set, right? Create a set of int s. Now for j going from I till I plus, now if you see for 4 it was going till 7, right? That is 4 plus 4 minus 1, that is I plus k minus 1, right? Current index plus k minus 1. J is going from I till I plus k minus 1, right? What will you do? You will say s dot insert arr of j, right? Okay, let me move this here. After that, this contains my current subarray, right? And the set contains my distinct elements now. So what do? You will say this, suppose this is a result initialized here. res dot pushback s dot size, because size s contains all your distinct elements, so it will remove all the duplicate elements, and s dot size is equals to the size we want. So s dot pushback s dot size and return result as the return res. I hope it is correct. I hope you are getting a feel of it. So what is the time complexity? So it is running O of n minus k times. It is running O of k times. Multiply it, O of n minus k into k, which is equals to O of nk minus k square, which is somewhat equals to O of n square, right? O of n square. Now, this is not a good time complexity, right? We have to shorten it. Okay. Optimize approach. You will see optimize approach. So optimize approach is actually very simple. It is actually more simple than the brute force approach. Let me tell you how. Right. Let me write down the array again. 1 2 1 3 4 1 2 2 3. Right. 1 2 1 3 4 1 2 3. This was my array. Right. Now what you will do? We need all the arrays. Right. We need all the sub arrays. Okay. So first let me contain my answer. This is my answer sub array. My answer array. Sorry. Now instead of a set, I will use a map. Right. Suppose this is my map. It is initially empty. Now, let me write down the indexes, guys. So, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, tell me that first window contains 4 elements, that is these 4. That is from 0 till k minus 1 elements. Do that. That is, create a map, right? Now, for I going from 0 till k minus 1, MP of ARRI plus plus. Now if you observe this traversal takes all the elements inside it and keeps it in MP, right? Keeps it in MP. Okay, no problem. That means my first subarray is with me. Then can I do something like this? Result or answer dot push back MP dot size. This will actually push back the size of the MP array, which is nothing but contains, or let me write it here, mp dot size gives size, well, a number of keys, right? So number of keys means non-duplicates. The keys are always unique, right? Now start from where you have to start. You have to start from 4. So for k, go for I going from k up till up till n minus, sorry, you have to start with yeah, you have to start with 4 and you have to go up till this one. What I'm trying to say, for I equals to k up till n minus 1 to be specific, right? Add this element and remove this element. Now if you add this element and remove this element, that is my current window will be 2 1 3 4, 2 1 3 4. Similarly, if you will add this element and remove this element, that is add kth element, add ith element, remove I minus kth, right? So that what I'm trying to say, frequency of ARRI plus plus, frequency of ARRI minus k minus minus. Now, if we have removed this, it can be possible that it has converted to 0. If this particular element has converted to 0, we have to erase it so that it is not included in the size. So if frequency of ARRI minus k equals to 0, in that case frequency dot erase ARRI minus k. Simple. And now answer dot push back frequency dot size. Frequency is a map, right? Frequency and map I'm using interchangeably. So I hope you're not confused. And at last return answer. Right? Okay. So let us just write the code and then end the video. I hope you are clear with the question, right? So let us start writing the code. What will you do? You will say int n equals to array.size. Next step, which will be to subscribe to the channel and then hit the like button. Okay. Now, what will you do next? You will create a map. So unordered map of int mapped with int mp. Now, for int I equals to 0, I less than k, I plus plus, mp of arri plus plus, right? After this, create your answer array, vector of int answer. Now the map already contains our first window, so answer dot push back mp dot size. Now for int I going from k, I less than n, I plus plus, frequency of arri plus plus, frequency of arri minus k, minus minus, right? Adding the new element, removing the last element. Okay. Now if my frequency of arr I minus k equal to 0, in that case mp dot erase, oh sorry, it is mp, not frequency, mp here and mp here. Mp dot erase arr I minus k to not include it in the size also, right? Now answer dot push back mp dot size, return answer. Now let us try to compile and run it and hope it will work fine. Oh, there is some error, guys. Expected primary token. Okay, there is some typing mistake here. Yeah, I forgot to type I here. Let us try to compile and run it again. Working fine for the sample test case. It will work fine for the submission as well, I guess. Okay. So thank you for watching. Hope you liked it, and please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.